What you're looking at here is a Hampton Bay Hawkins hugger ceiling fan in my grandparents' room. Decided to do a individual video of this fan, just like I did with the other 3 ceiling fans, the Hunter, Stratford, the Encon, and my Harbor Breeze. Also, this is the same room with the 5000 BTU GE from 2017. I don't know what year this fan is, but it's been here for quite a while. There's the Hampton Bay pull chain. I believe this is from the early 2010s. I'm not entirely sure, but it does run. I believe that's high speed. Pull chain's kind of frisky on it, so I gotta be careful, but it does have some motor hum to it. And also, it is a nice air mover. So let's go ahead and bring it down to medium. This is going to be a short video. It does run very smoothly. We'll give it that. It is a nice fan. I actually kind of like it. Alright, now let's bring it down to low. And that's low speed. I've never seen this fan run on low. Wow. Or is that off? I believe that's off. Well, watch it spin down. Yeah, okay, that's off. And the blades also match the floor. So yeah, there's a video of the Hampton Bay Hawkins ceiling fan.